Surah Al-Infitar, the splitting. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 19 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
إذا السماء انفطرت
When the sky will split open,
وإذا الكواكب انتثرت
and when the stars will scatter,
وإذا البحار فجرت
and when the seas will be made to overflow,
وإذا القبور بعثرت
and when the graves will be exposed,
علمت نفس ما قدمت وأخرت.
every soul will come to know what it has sent forth and what it has left behind.
يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم.
O man, what has deceived you concerning your Lord, the most generous,
الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك
who created you, then formed you, then proportioned you,
في أي صورة ما شاء ركبك.
He fashioned you in whatever form He willed.
كلا بل تكذبون بالدين
Certainly not, but you deny divine justice.
وإن عليكم لحافظين
And surely there are guardians appointed over you,
كراما كاتبين
honorable scribes,
يعلمون ما تفعلون.
they know whatever you do.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم
Indeed, the virtuous are in comfort,
وإن الفجار لفي جحيم
and the evildoers are in hell.
يصلونها يوم الدين
They will enter it on the day of justice,
وما هم عنها بغائبين
and they will not be able to hide from it.
وما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
And what do you know of the day of justice?
ثم ما أدراك ما يوم الدين.
Then what do you know of the day of justice?
يوم لا تملك نفس لنفس شيئا والأمر يومئذ لله.
The day when no soul will have any authority for any other soul, and the ultimate command on that day belongs to Allah.